Guys, I cannot believe it. I got them installed. Shout out to Serene Details. I'll drop the information to their company in the description below. AKA Mike the Man hooked me up with these brackets for my polishers. I do have a third bracket that I'll install later. This is a 12 millimeter long throw, 15 millimeter long throw. I just replaced both of the mounting backing plates because the 12 millimeter, after 9 years of having it, approximately 8 years of having it, it completely went out. While I was polishing a hood of a new Tundra, completely just went out. Luckily I didn't damage the hood, but now the setup is starting to come together. The Serene Detail buckets, they do have the guards inside. Super nice. This one does not. So those guards are safe, very effective, but I don't like how I have blue, gray, clearish, white, and black. And then I have stainless, gray, and then red brackets. I think I'm gonna take these off, powder coat them satin black. I may have those done in flat black, I don't know. I wanna get away from the whole let's follow Obsessed Garage movement that everybody seems to be doing now. But yes, this is very effective. So that's one thing he nailed. Thanks for watching today's video, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. We'll see you guys on the next one.